My favorite hobby. A hobby is different from regular work. It is some sort of work which one does in one's spare time. It provides one mental recreation and it is useful way of spreading leisure. Tastes differ and so do hobbies. Painting, music, gardening, photography, and stamp collecting are some hobbies. My hobby is gardening. I have a small piece of land in front of my house. I have turned it into a beautiful garden. I am proud of my garden. My garden keeps me busy and keeps me away from evil company. It teaches me the dignity of labor and relieves me of the worries of the day.